Hi, we're over at Contacta with David Dorton to talk about the brand new V Series induction loop drivers. David, let's take a closer look. These things are looking a lot more compact, a lot more stylish and a lot more slick. Do you want to tell us all about it?
Yeah, definitely. This is the first in the range of the new V Series drivers. The smallest one that we do in this range is the V7. That's a 7-volt 5-amp driver, single output, so more for perimeter loops. This is the V12A, so this is a 12-volt 5-amp driver, dual output, so you notice a lot smaller than traditional loop drivers. We've got the LCD display here with the rotary dial that helps change the settings on the driver, just to make things easier when it comes to installation. The driver is a dual output driver, so you can see on the back here the phase shifting is built into the unit, which is great, and then we've got the external power supply here. A nice little feature we notice is it is actually wall mountable, which is again not often seen. The accessories we do with the driver will enable it to be rack mounted. We also do a shelf where you can put two of them next to each other on the rack as well.
Wider range to come in the future?
There is indeed, in the near future.
That's the Contacta V Series, available now from CIE. Click on the links below for all of the details.